Reaching your first 4,000 watch time is very easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your watch time by streaming live on your Faceless Kids channel. The first step is to compile all of your current videos and create one longer format video to stream live. For that, we're going to use CapCut. The first step is to import all of your current videos and add it to the timeline one by one. You can organize it as you wish. Since CapCut lets you export a longer format video, you can add as many videos as you want. Once you finish editing, click on export and download it to your computer. We can create a thumbnail for our live stream video using Leonardo AI. You can be creative and make it more attractive for it to be more clickable. Once we're done with our thumbnail, we can go ahead and schedule our live stream. To do that, open your YouTube account and click on Create, then go live. If you are new for live streaming, you will find this page. In the beginning, you have two options to stream right now or later. Click on Start and it will take you to the next option, built-in webcam or streaming software. For today, we're going to use the streaming software, a free streaming software, so we will use the streaming software option. Use the tab on your keyboard to put the cursor on Go and enter. In the next page, when you click on Schedule Stream, it will give you two options to create new or reuse settings if you already have one. Click on either of the options and fill out all the important fields. Add your title, description, and change the thumbnail. Click on Next. When you reach to visibility, select the date and time you want to go live. This doesn't mean it will go live automatically. You have to go manually and click on Go Live. Once you finish all of that, click on Done. We get the stream key right here, and we're going to use that stream key for the software we are about to use next. Copy the stream key. We are going to use OBS Studio for our live stream. Go ahead, open the app. Click on Add Scene button and add a scene. Then click on the plus sign to add sources right here. Click on Media Sources, rename your media. Click on OK, then browse your file from the computer that you downloaded from the CapCut earlier. Here is the key. When you put the video on loop, it will not stop unless you end the live stream. So it will go on until you finish the live stream. So put a check mark on loop and then click on OK. Now our video is ready. We can pause it and go to the next step. In the bottom right corner, click on Setting. Click on Output and make sure that it's set to software, not hardware. Click on Stream and click on Use Stream Key. Then go ahead and paste the stream key that you copied from YouTube. Click on Apply and then OK. Click on Start Streaming. Now as you can see, it says excellent connection and the go live button is active now, so click on go live. And now we are live. Don't forget to unpause the video in OBS. After a few seconds, the video starts playing on YouTube Live. To end the live stream, click on end stream. You can edit in studio or you can just dismiss. This helped me to get the 4,000 watch hour quickly on my other channel, and I hope it will work for you. Just don't forget to live stream frequently. That will add up on your watch hour. This is the end of my tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I'll see you on the next video.